Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one that we got bring on another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now nation, Movado shocked North American dancehall fans, and this definitely seems like he's on the road to mending all fences. We saw what going on recently when the media celebrated Movado reconnecting with Bounty over Father's Day post. Now recently, at a show in Connecticut, Movado took the opportunity to send a special big up to his son and also a message for none other than the king himself, Vybz Kartel. May I make you hear what go on? And then we continue the reasoning. Look and listen, nation.
Big up the son and all of the youth and dance boys. Big up the Vybz Kartel and all of the youth. Hear this? Families and friends us know so we love them.
Yes, nation, now let's continue the reasoning. Now this is definitely a good look for dancehall music overall. Especially for the young artists them we are found up in the industry. And of course the fans themselves. And truth be told, people might know of the years when Vybz Kartel and Movado link and the whole heap of songs that were recorded and released. But enough people don't know about the good that Vybz Kartel do for Vado. And the fact that Vybz Kartel was an artist who did believe in a singer career, even going as far as to write song game. Now it was definitely a good look, as I would say, for see him and Bounty reconnect over that Father's Day post. Both posting their fathers who, are no longer with them in the flesh. And just based on those posts, that was a powerful message for dancehall artists and fans of dancehall. You ever know some people are gonna say, Vado just do it to get the crowd for real. You know what I mean? To get that reaction from the fans who were in attendance. And that might be true. We see a whole heap of artists do it. But the way this look to fans of dancehall, especially fans residing overseas, when some people hear the clip and people were in attendance and say it was definitely a good look. And some people are of the mindset, and this is definitely true, dancehall is more powerful, unified. Yes, Vybz Kartel and Movado would have a lyrical feud, but that the whole heap for Movado career. So that happened and we move past that. But going forward for dancehall music to reclaim its place as one of the biggest names or one of the biggest genres of music, because people think about it, dancehall influence a whole heap of other genres of music. We can't stress that enough. Fans who reside overseas know this, because a regular people overseas hear some song, or they must see some dancers that dance a certain music video, or they must see certain artists I do certain dances, Doja Cat, you name them. I do the dance, and them say no, say I dance all that. Recently Spice and Shaggy that talk about it on the Breakfast Club. When she say you should go overseas and people talk to her like them and say you should copy other people, and she said no, this is dancehall's culture. It was just marketed to you through something else, so you wouldn't know. So overall, it's good for international fans to dancehall as a unified movement. You have a thing I go on a yard one at a time, where some people are say when them book a certain artist, them wouldn't want to necessarily book a next artist where you'd either feud with the artist there or had a feud with them in the past, and that kind of mess up how them arrange the artists them and which artists have worked before which artists, so that's entourage and meet up. And we can't have them settings up on certain international show in them. Think about it. We can't afford for a big showcase a keep in any one of the major states overseas, and them must say alright, dancehall gonna be a part of the showcase. But we have to go think about which artists will book because we don't want them enter. You're mad? That's not something we can tolerate in the dancehall music at this point. And I can't tell if we go friend nobody who you're not good with. We have to keep the thing on a level. And for the young artists, they move forward up in the game and feel like them got disrespect the foundation, the established legends, individuals who have made legendary moves in the genre of dancehall. It not gonna work. People are gonna look upon you for your audacity, and then you're gonna fade from memory. Only for artists that seek the attention, but when the attention is given, then the people them realize they are who them lack substance. Them not have no talent. I'm gonna notice that also something with Dante himself supposed to glad to see at this point in time. Dante good with all our musical sons. I'm not gonna say I'm good with every artist I used to link with, but all of the artists that we consider sons, musical sons of Dante Killer, him all of them good. And think about it, for the people who say, well, Movado said this, want to teach teachers behind the bars. And Vybz Kartel never have no problem with Mov. Dante said, him and Vybz Kartel that got through a situation, and him say Vado take it up on himself. Him say him never tell Vado to do it. Him say he was never the one who tell Vado say, oh, make song about Vybz Kartel. Him say that was never him. Him say Vado take it up on himself. So of course, it is only fitting say him take it up on himself to reach out and do something like this to, of course, whether or not the fans think it's genuine. Because of course people are gonna definitely say this look like an attempt by Vado to use Vybz Kartel name to get a forward, which it did work. The fans real and everybody excited, them love the vibe. As I'm gonna say, overseas fans, while everybody's entitled to their own opinion, so everybody have them favorite artists who them respect more, or whatever the case might be. But overseas, people say dancehall. You have some people who fall out to your show, even if them not particularly like your music, but because them a yardie or them fall from the Caribbean or them just love dancehall music as a dancehall show, them just fall out. And in settings like that, me fall out now. As I'm say, the artists that they on the show might not be artists that me listen to. I'm fall out. I don't want to hear that artists that disrespect my artists. You must see, yo, I'm a fan of dancehall overall. Me have my own favorite artist. He might not they know. So something like this to see the artist on stage, I big him up, of course it got far away. Based on the audio we hear, the proof is there. The fans them are real. Maybe now you can have some fans where I say it'll be a powerful look for your Bounty, a Vado, and a teacher on a track. And that's something I look forward to. You know what I mean? Based on the history and the vibe we are going. Is it something I look forward to now? But nah, I'm gonna say particularly yes. If it found out though, it would be something very powerful for the music. But I still feel like the Vado giving the big up on the stage, powerful for Vado enough. For Bounty album King of Kingston, just the teacher feature is enough to get it where it needs to be, along with all the other features, all the other producers that work on it. I don't necessarily feel like you need the Avid, the other artists, but tell me how you feel. If you don't like the ear now, a Bounty and Mov, a Vybz Kartel, upon the King of Kingston. Bounty did say this album 95% completed, but still didn't publish the track listing. You know what I mean? And that is has the fans in high anticipation. So even though we get a release more than one from the project, yeah, Stoplight and the track featuring Busy, we still not get the track listing. So you know, the possibilities are still out there. So people still look to see if the possibility of a Vybz Kartel and a Bounty Killer feature. You know what I mean? I go happen. Comment section open. Talk to me. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yeah man, drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out your channel and check out the reason the like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. You can use it to share the video on any of your favorite social media. I mean, that's the outlets. Now I mean, they want WhatsApp, Facebook, IG, you name it. Now I mean, comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reason via the comment section. Until the reason again, viewers and subscribers, my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper. Until the reason again.